Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add these super fun Halloween party stickers to your Instagram story using just 6 photos. With Halloween just behind us, now's the perfect time to share some spooky memories from all the parties and costumes. So, let's get started. First, open up Instagram and head over to our official profile. Once you're there, tap on the first highlight with the smiley face. Scroll through the highlights and pick the Halloween party sticker that catches your eye. Easy, right? Now, just tap Add Yours, and it'll open in your Instagram camera. From here, you can either snap 6 new pics using the little collage icon or grab some from your gallery. Once you've got your photos, post your story, and voila! Your Halloween party memories are ready to share. And that's all there is to it. Now you can show off those Halloween vibes with your friends and family. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more Instagram tips, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.